Hey everyone, back again. I'm basically going to show you guys a lot of work in time-lapse mode. Basically the entire teardown of the truck. I experimented with this in my last video, and I ended up going to buy an app for my phone that, you know, they offer it free, but it's only a 240p resolution, so I bought it. It's like $2 and it'll let me do HD. Turns out really well. You'll see here in a second. Anyway, that's what I just wanted to let you guys know. I will be going over more details. This is not going to just be a non-stop time-lapse video, so it's going to be broken down into a few segments. So watch, and I'll talk to you guys in a second. Okay, back again, everybody. I'm ready for chassis saver prep. I've got this entire thing tore down. There'll be more tore out of this, but just not right now. We don't need to do that just for the Monstaliner and chassis saver. The only thing left to tear out of this thing is my headliner. I can't really see because it's dark. The visors, the dash. The dash is going to be swapped out. Let me show you what mine looks like real quick. You'll see mine's got some cracks in it, and it's blue, and it's a square style. I'm getting ready to put that one in there. Let's give you a closer look. And I don't know how long this will drag out because I've never swapped a dash before, so that's why I'm not going to do it right away. I'll do that after the Monstaliner is finished. Anyway, let's get this thing opened up. Let me show you what I've done here. Did a lot of work on the doors today. Tore the back window off, all the hinges, everything. You know, even the little water sprayer thing here for the windshield wiper. All the door seal or the window seal, lock cylinder, the windshield wiper arm, even the Nissan placard that runs across the back here, I removed that. Door handle. Let me see if I can get this thing open. with whatever, I'll have to mess with that later. Pulled the seal out of there. You'll see, even the carpet and, you know, all the plastic trim, everything's out of there. Same thing with all the doors. Everything except for the lock mechanisms and the back doors is removed. I didn't need to remove that, so I just chose not to. Door seals, all of it. Didn't remove any of these. These will be a pain in the ass to take off, and I don't want to risk stripping out the Phillips head screws. And I didn't remove these little, whatever these are, sensors. Remove the gas door. I'll be taping this off and then spraying, you know, cleaning this up pretty decent and spraying that as well with Chassis Saver. I want all the door jambs and everything. I don't want them to be blue. I don't want any blue to show on this. The only blue that you're going to possibly see is under the hood here on the firewall. But even that, I'm going to tape along this edge here so the cowl's black. So, and then the radiator support will be painted as well. So that's pretty much it. If you have any questions, you know, comment below or message me on Alvarez Metalworks on Facebook. You could also message me on YouTube if you really wanted to. That's pretty much it. Make sure you guys go check out Monstaliner. Monstaliner.com is where you can find Chassis Saver and Monstaliner. These guys are good guys, good product. You'll see this thing's going to look pretty. There was actually somebody on their Facebook page that they posted a picture of that just did an old school Jeep, and he did it two-tone. It was an orange and black, basically all orange with black like Super Sport stripes on it. It was all done in Monstaliner, so it turned out really, really good. So check that out, and that's pretty much it. So subscribe, comment, like, check out the links. Again, Monstaliner, check out alvarezmetalworks.com. If you're on alvarezmetalworks.com, make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel. The link is above. And that's it for now. Talk to you guys soon.